Girl child, girl child. Girl, you take man for food, take man for that stop shot. Jumping on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We are do we think, cause you know.
Guys, good afternoon. It's a new day. It is now Monday, the 19th. And me and Dana heading to the beach. It's like what, 12:47 now, but we got to run downtown, get some stuff I need to put in my suitcase to bring up, something like patties, chips, probably some rum cream, little stuff to bring up for people. Dana, I remember the rest of them see at the crossing. I forgot over there because last time I'm gonna make a anklet. You want one? What? One bead anklet. I'm gonna make one Jamaican one and left it for J-Yard. You know, I must go up and get it now. But yeah, I'm gonna make one. And I forget patty, I'm gonna get what, toothbrush time and everything. But yeah, on the road now. It's pretty outside today. It's T-minus 24 hours for me to go on my damn yard. I don't want to go back to America. But that's so I go. Soon come back.
You see me like off the pipe though?
Yes. Yeah? Yes, I see you like off the pipe. Right. Dana.
I'll make sure.
And you know like off the pipe, I have once my lesson blame for something else.
You see me like off the pipe, I ask you.
In lock up, I say if Bev come because I say, well, Dana do one wrong, I'm do the next wrong. That's it. Guys, tell me how I brought my auntie sink. Lord God, I'm going to pay some money for now. Me carry myself, but me a cock up and sink good as. And the sink broke. But me a lean down and bend down. But I never bend down, but I just make the foot them to stay where they stay and come out of the bathroom. Sure. Trixie? Right there. We out. Well, I don't got no titties right now because this thing is squeezing up my chest. I'm gonna need to get one of the sticks to hold. Hold on, guys. See what it displays. I have to get one of the sticks to hold the camera because holding this shit is like this is crazy. Yeah, everything should be. Yeah, everything is here. You have to walk? I guess walk until we get cab, or we can walk it.
You, if you want to walk it, so not stand up.
Here the girl. Are you if you want to walk it, the son, I think what I said, the most taxi she want to take, but she don't want implies she want to take taxi.
What girl? I miss the whole house we still live. I was just walk downtown and come back. Sure. Now we have to dip on a journey. No. You know all the bicycle man there the corner, but the corner when I come in and drop down off of the bike. That's why I feel like when we actually start to drive on the road. I don't know what when we see each other. That's a mistake for you. I already know nigga says one truck come in and I say what to do. And some people go and see me and I turn that over bush. Over open lot. He said open lot then nobody tell me I go. Yo, that's something I like. I don't want to drive to Jamaica, but when I do the license I come down, I'm glad to live right across. Because I drive down by seaside and come right back up. If we say I want to go win the friend. Wait though, that's fine. But that's straight where me I go. I don't know bend corner me I go, you understand? So if you say Naki, drive over something, nah, drive up here so. You have to meet me halfway. Meet me down the road. Or reverse a problem, do you know? Reverse are the easiest thing. She said she can't reverse. If he said put it so put it straight back.
So you know park? You know park you mean? Parallel park.
Alright, for instance we go. We are go in a few yard if we park in a driving.
Exactly, a parallel park.
I forgot here. Forgot in. The front probably alright, but the back I got to turn one different way.
Well, me better than you then can parallel park.
So that's how me just knock it. But different from that, yeah.
You should have learned from Cape first. Cape easy for drive.
Who don't teach me? Nobody can teach me.
I'm just hoping I can teach you.
Everybody work. If you live over there, you don't have time for yourself.
And a pair of bush.
You know, no time for yourself. That was you get. I got work from 9 morning till 12 night.
Oh no.
Especially when I have a tree work. Sometimes maybe I walk and I eat. That's true. Let me jump out of one too.
And then it's the which Jamaican movie they up so when anybody had up here. You know what's matter about them old throwback movie there?
Across the road and
across. It look like a right so.
I say oh see come every time and jump up and woman.
And what?
The landslide man come down.
This?
Right so. Just name of Abuja right so when I met this.
So she stand up right as and drop down on her?
They in the house and sleep and the landslide come over top, come mash on your house.
And kill her?
Yeah.
Oh God.
But our son never did it, but her husband make it out.
Wow.
They were up at man and they were dig and can't find. When I look through man, jump in one corner.
Oh God. I want a man? I want a man?
No.
That's sad. Get it? No. Be frightened. But the color kit though, it's just dirty. I'm me and G.
Yeah.
Kitty must get a smiley yard now. Tell me how they lost Kitty, but they kept the dog. I don't understand. How y'all lost the cat, but
the cat come up, but me don't know he gone. He must have fine man or something.
Was a fine man. And then we're gonna breed each up on a bev house. Sounds like to me.
Like, so we not old. We not old. I'm here to my bar. And we say, I'm supposed to do a kitty bar. Next man we still like, yo, when you draw where they say to you, somebody have kitty. Mommy run up and down. We just in time. We saw them push out the last one. The last one. Just
Every time I can see my face already.
Mommy started to run and scream. So I said, we are going so far. We have to get one shop, get somebody around out the road and shovel it up.
Why?
Shovel them up and carry them around and back. Mommy don't want in her house.
Why one couldn't pick him up?
Who will pick that up? With the slime and everything, then just done a barn and sitting.
Nigga, you want towel?
One, yeah.
You like animal, no?
You see nobody have bed. Keisha, I do that.
But I want to be a veterinarian before I want to be a neonatal, but I don't know. Maybe I'm past life. Anyways, guys, I'm about to cut this video short because my hand hurting. So we in Juicy Beef. This is some patties. Because if I don't get none, I'll get the good amount. As soon as I go home, they're gonna be finished because they want one, mommy wants some, my brother wants some, and I'm gonna eat the whole thing, so I have to get it now. So I'm waiting on these patties. I'm like, how much? 18 cheese and 6 beef. I tell mommy say, the beef patty them up here, the cheese patty them don't venture over to them. Leave them alone. A beef she depends on so she wants.
You can just put a piece of cheese in a fair when I want it.
But she want Jamaican cheese, she don't want American cheese, she don't want to buy the Jamaican cheese. But the question is, she want beef. Do not touch the cheese. As it says the box going to the house, run at the gun. Run love patty and she has money when she goes to the and buy patty every day at Jamaican spot. And I said, I brother, don't touch them. So much you know, I'm not kiss one, don't touch them. I have to go up, I have to do homework. I'm going to do homework on the plane. So I got enough something to read up on some things. Look at my patty, guys. 2 boxes, dog. Nobody ever better not ask me for none. Small pay for the rat to that pot to them. $4,776. Just crazy. He's buying out the whole fucking store. Sorry. I'm gonna have one here.
Phone charge.
So just got mad shit. So a couple Maddies. Hold on. We just got mad shit in the town. Look at the bag I got stuff bringing up. And ain't nobody getting shit. I like how that zoomed in. You don't be afraid. Buy one drink from me. Come here.
This was corn and cheese.
You feel hot?
Yeah?
Give me my You alright? You alright?
You want patty? Yeah.
No. So we at the beach, taking some pictures. They go, Dana lazy ass. She wanna get in the water because she's sick. Yeah, Sunshine Beach. But look, she want me to take fucking selfies in my shit. Take them picture, yeah. You know, I have my speaker on, and then my speaker is off. Shit. Eh? And now my speaker died. Broke off. Two. So I'm so scared to come off of this. Come on, Dana. Best photographer of the year. Give me 2 thumbs up if you're the best photographer of the year. So I can't itch. Let's say I live as like I'm nah make the seaweed touch my leg. Just stay there. When I reach and switch, up I say if you land. We can't afford water house. Someone to get an anklet. I left my other one at Jay's. So I'm about to get another anklet. Then I both forget one too. Dinner. My friend here about to make me one. We always get one from him. You know, gotta support your local businesses. And other people in town. Majesty, go on Majesty. So go pick up the sink and I'm bought. Head up, get ready to go to party later. We finally got to pick up the damn sink I broke. I feel accomplished. Buy back the sink, people them sink. This is what you do when they broke things up, people, yeah, you buy back same day. It's hella dark, so y'all can't see me right now. But we walking on the street, we about to run up to Monique's crib and get some stuff. It is now 8:26. I'm about to go home, get ready for a party. And yeah, I guess that's about it. It's my last night here. Tomorrow I'll be leaving. I'm sad. They will be leaving me in the morning because she's crosses. So I'll have nobody to talk to for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go downtown walking like a sad puppy dog. That's a life go sometime. People there for disappoint you.
Just come do what I do before 12 o'clock.
Alright, so I wake up early. I'm come get the castor. We leave about 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
4 o'clock up on the bus?
No, me can't catch regular bus.
Oh, okay. But we're there upon it.
It's like 1 o'clock. I reach on night anyways.
Nigga, come pick you up?
No, I'm gonna meet myself. I'm gonna come to myself, not mobile.
Savannah Lamar.
Yeah.
Some of my parishes people. Anyways, we out. There's 2 dogs with the camera. If anybody rob me that night, that's a problem. Because I can't afford to buy it back. Bye. So I just got home looking dread as ever. My face is mad oily. I'm about to go wash my face and get ready for, what's that shit called again? I forgot. Karma Mondays. We get ready for Karma Monday. I think I know what I'm wearing. What I do is I always plan my outfits when I'm in New York. I never come here and buy a shitload of stuff and freaking just put together. And this is why every time my friends come here, like Tavi and Kim, then we going out, they be like, oh, Nakisha's gonna take the longest because she gotta do her makeup. No, sis, I already know what my face gonna look like and I already know what I'm gonna wear. So I shall be fine. So I'm about to go put something on, pack my suitcases. Wow. Pack my suitcase and get myself together for tomorrow. I just want to be doing it for tomorrow. I bought mad stuff. Excuse my ring light, is bright as hell. But I bought 18 cheese patties with 6 beef for my mom. Bigfoot, rum cream, we have pimento for my mom. Cheese steaks, these Lucas Aid candies I like so much, crazy hairs. These lollipops called Bum Bum. Got some festivals I was eating and some freaking toothbrushes. What I have left to buy, I think I have to buy some Itsmeniinii cream for one of my friends, and then I gotta buy castor oil for one of my friends, and I also got my beads. And I got hockey from my mom. My father searched low, far, wide, and high, however that quote go, and he found it. My mom, he loves my mommy. And I'm not just saying that because it's my mom. He loves my mommy. So he do anything for her. He searched mad far for her and finally got it. So yeah, I'm about to put the patties in the freezer. I'm about to get ready to dip. I'm gonna change my hair and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna change my hair and whatnot, and we out. So this is what I'm wearing to Karma Mondays. It's Forever 21 dress with my Vans. Well, not Forever 21, I'm sorry. Fashion Nova dress with these Vans, and I got some fishnet socks from Fashion Nova. As you can see, my voice is going away. And I also got my Zara little fanny pack. My voice is legitimately going away. I'm about to go wake up my dad to go follow me outside. And we're gonna go get a cab. Gonna get a cab and then go get Dana. So talk to you when I talk to you. My voice is gone, guys.
Some people are big ones, how they gonna give thanks to life with us, I love my life, 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 I love my life. Where's the blood? No, I'm gonna go, but tomorrow might bring my future. I was away, so I'm putting my hand today.
So I just actually reached home. I'm smissed, like not fully drunk. Damn, my eyelashes look mad nice. I'm not fully drunk. I'm nice. So liquor makes me real sleepy, so I'm really, really sleepy. So I'm about to go to my bed. It's 4:50. I guess I got a shower cap on because I couldn't find my body. I'm about to go to my bed, guys. Good night.
For me alone, me alone.